What's up, fuckers? Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you in a very aggressive manner how not to ice skate. And if you're wondering, Dexter, why are you so upset right now? Well, because I've seen so many fucking people make these mistakes that I'm just getting really goddamn pissed. Step number 1, lace up your fucking skates, okay? I have seen so many people just not lace their skates for whatever fucking reason. And here's the thing, you might look down at my skates and say, oh, those look pretty loose. Those look like a goddamn wizard sleeve, man. What the hell? I've trained long enough to actually have strong ankles, but if you go out here looking like this shit, you're gonna fucking break your shit. And no one's gonna mourn your death, okay? Look at other people lacing their skates, see how they're doing it. If you're looking down at your skates and it doesn't look like everyone else's, then you're probably stupid. Number 2, get some fucking gear, okay? I'm not talking like you don't need to look like a full-ass hockey player when you're going out ice skating for your first time. I'm just saying, get something. I have these and these gloves, and that's basic protection if you fall forward and if you impact your hands on the ground. Because here's the thing, you will fall, okay? I don't care if you think you're goddamn Jesus, all right? You're trying to walk out on the water, but it's actually ice. That was a bad joke. You fucking wear some gear because you are going to fall, okay? Number 3, when you actually get out on the ice, bend your fucking knees, okay? Bend your knees. I cannot tell you how frustrated I get every time I see a bitch out there not bending their knees, okay? It's not that fucking hard. Stop it. You'll actually have more balance because most of your weight is going to be centered down here, okay? Bend your fucking knees, for the love of God. Once you have bent your knees, step number 4, don't look down. Don't look down at your feet or your knees. I know you're gonna be so enamored. Oh, look at me, I'm skating on the fucking ice. I'm telling you what, don't look down, because you're just gonna confuse your shit. Don't fucking do that. I'm sick of it. Step number 5. Now here's where we get into the ones that I can't fucking stand when people do. If people do this shit, I will throw things at you. I'm deadly serious, okay? Number 5, do not hug the wall when you're going out ice skating. Especially, like if you're a beginner, don't do it, okay? Just straight up, don't do it. Don't look like this. No! Okay. A, you look like an idiot. Don't do it. B, I almost said 2. B, you're gonna get used to your balance being on the wall. So by the time you actually think, oh, maybe I'm brave enough to go out onto the ice, you're gonna suck. You're gonna suck huge whale cock. And finally, number 6, for the love of all that is holy, do not go entirely on your inside edges. Here's the thing about ice skates, okay? There are 2 sides of your blades of ice skates. So there's the outside edge here, and there's the inside edge here. Beginners, I will see so often just wanting to go on their inside edges the whole time because they think that, oh, this is where I'm safe. This feels right. Don't do it, because you're just gonna break your ankle, okay? You're just gonna break it. Do I look like I wanna be responsible for your ankles being broken? No. So here's what I would suggest, okay? Get out there, try to stand straight up and down. If you're able to shimmy back and forth and it not have any resistance because you aren't using one of your edges. When you're actually skating, it's okay to use your inside edges because you're actually pushing off with them. Pushing off on your inside edges. However, don't just go around looking like this, okay? Like I said, if I see you doing that, I will throw shit at you. Thank you. This has been How Not to Ice Skate with me, Dexter. Join me next time where I throw more stuff at my girlfriend.